Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KJ stroke Jessica here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And please keep coming back, okay? I really appreciate all the support you guys give me. I'm so grateful and inspired by the support and love you guys have shown to me on my journey to I'm so grateful, you guys. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be doing a how-to video and an Ankara inspired makeup look. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I tie this scarf that has beads. Yeah, so you guys should tune into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and after subscribing, make sure you hit the notification bell, hit all, then also like my video, and also feel free to comment in the comment section below on whatever you want me to do for you guys, or whatever questions you guys have for me. Yeah, is that a spider? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much guys for coming back, and enjoy the video. Bye. So after I applied my foundation, I just thought I should tell you guys this. For those who have combination skin, that is your T-zones are the oily part of your face, after you apply your foundation, make sure you bake it before you put your concealers or highlighters on it, because it just helps to like make sure that place doesn't produce any oil. And make sure that whenever you put your primer, you should concentrate more on those parts, because those are the places that need to be blocked. The rest of your skin, for combination skin types, the rest of your skin or your skin is good and it's normal, but that T-zone, your forehead and your nose, and sometimes it spreads, is oily, so you have to like cover it with sweat blockers, primers, and also bake it. I don't know if you guys noticed something different. You guys have, if you guys have watched my makeup videos, I'm gonna put the link I think right at the top right for you guys. You guys can see my makeup videos. You will notice I usually like drawing my brows first before I put in my foundation, that before I do my skin work. So I decided to try something different today, and I started with my skin work. I just wanted to see if this is faster and works better. I would say this method is faster. Like once you have your skin work done, and if you're really good in brows, drawing brows is no longer that hard, blending your eyeshadows is no longer that bad, it's no longer that, it's not slow, sorry, not bad, it's like it's not slow. So you just find it easy and fast. Like this method could go for someone who is always going to work every day and you still want to look good and glamorous, you know what I'm saying. You just have to like start the skin work first, then you can go in with your brows and some little eyeshadow and some little lip gloss, you know, just to pop up your face. So this method is real fast. I think, in fact, I'm just going to be using this now for all my makeup routines, and till I find another method, I'm just gonna be using this now. So you guys should just be watching me because I'm gonna be using it, okay? Make that money, booty bouncing, don't Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always ragtime. So for my brows, I usually like touching it gently, very slightly. I like fill it in. I don't like it to be too dark or too shady, because I don't know, I feel for me it just looks like a marker on my eyebrow. So I just like touching it lightly and brushing it all the time to make sure it looks as natural as possible. So for those who love natural eyebrows, you could try this. I don't like drawing a base line anymore and drawing the top line. I just fill it in and brush and conceal. That's not my new eyebrow routine, I think. Yeah, my new eyebrow routine. Then also remember, when you draw your brows, you're not drawing them to look like twins. Brows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Yeah, they should look alike but not so alike. So even if you're not achieving that alike look, if they look almost the same, if they look the same, there's no issue. But if you think I must make them look the same, by all means, because you're gonna waste your whole time and making a lot of mistakes. I'm just saying from experience. So for eyebrows, make sure they don't look too different, but let them look like sisters, not twins. I don't know if you guys understand me though. So make sure your eyebrows look like sisters, not twins. They shouldn't look too different, whereas one is so down and the other one's so up. That's not just good. Okay, just make sure they look like sisters, not twins. Okay. So this look is like an Ankara inspired look. As you can see, I'm actually wearing an Ankara outfit. It's like a big ball gown, but not actually a ball gown, and it's real fine and cute. I think I'm gonna post a picture at the end of this video to let you guys know how it looks fully. And so I did this makeup the day I recorded this video is Sunday, and you know, Sundays are like the days you go to your places of worship for most people and look good too. So today's Sunday, why not look good and go to your place of worship? Okay, yeah. And also you can see that the look is not so much, it's actually looking so natural but also so color popping, and it's just like giving your skin of color a pop look. I don't know if you guys get me. So I just basically did my skin work. Make sure your skin work is dope, check. Do your eyebrows, make sure they look natural, check. Do your eyeshadows, do any color that you know will pop, check. And do some lip gloss or some matte lipstick, those can work too. But I really love lip gloss, so I did a lip gloss instead. And as you can see, my skin's popping, my face popping, and you know, this whole glam on my face just radiating on your eyes. And I know you guys can take your eyes off me, I know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so you guys should don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna keep reminding you guys about that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, notification bell, yeah, hit the notification, no, oh my god, what? Notification bell, yeah, hit all in it. Okay, then also feel free to repost my video or repost my link and share it for people to come and see. I really appreciate it, guys. Girl, look at that highlight. Anyways, so that's it, you guys. Make sure you guys enjoy my video, and let me know also in the comment section below if you enjoyed my video. Okay, bye. just a little dance for you guys. And also be careful because your scarf could come off. Just look at that, just came off. Oh my god. So make sure you staple it with a pin.